Hello, you are welcome to my channel. This is Ify Success. Yes, you are welcome. Please feel at home, okay? And it's today your first time of tuning into my channel. Please go ahead and subscribe to this great and wonderful channel, okay? Here on this channel, you'll be learning all about hair, how you can, beautify your hair, how you can grow your hair as well. And also this channel is also beauty and lifestyle and also great motivational talks. Okay, so you learn a lot in this channel. You get you stand the chance to learn. You're gonna gain a lot from this channel, so go ahead and subscribe. Okay, to all my returning subscribers, you all are welcome. To all my supporters, I love you all. I can't love you all less. Okay, I love you all. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for always coming to to watch my video. For all those of you that always share my video out to friends and family, thank you so much. I really appreciate you all from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Yes, now today, to all my membership, you all know yourself. Thank you so much for being there for me. Thank you for supporting this channel. Okay, so on this channel I have a membership as well. If you want to join my membership, feel free. Okay, the button is just right there beside the subscription button. Okay. So today I come with some tips. Yes, today I'm going to be showing you different ways you can pack your micro braids. Okay, so I'm still loving my hair. I'm loving my hair like crazy, guys, and people are always like, giving me good compliments about this great and beautiful colorful hair. And I know that you that is watching, I know you love this hair. Thank you for loving my hair. Yes, so today I'm going to be teaching you how you can pack your micro braids. Okay, so in case maybe you are a working class person and you don't want anything to be touching your hair and all of that, so just keep watching me, watch what I do and enjoy it. And yeah, so as I'm going to be packing the hair, showing you different way you can style it, I will put some music for you to relax. Okay, as you're watching, keep watching. Yes, let's go there.